bring me to my knees.
Whoa, 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 ah, yeah, yeah. Stunner boy, ah, yeah.
This is
See, inspiration boy, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. No, good afternoon.
That soldier.
No. I am not a soldier. I am a member of the National Youth Corps of this country. A youth corps, I am serving my country. Yes, not a soldier.
Now, corporal dey wear soldier clothes.
Yes, this is a corps.
Okay. What do you want?
Thank you. When I came into this abode, I saw the magnificence of this great territory. So I was trying to ask that who is the financial head of this abode?
Wetin this man dey talk now? Are you sure you are okay like this?
I'm trying to explain to you that I love this prototype. I need to see the man that has the capability to turn a fallow ground into a palace that can contain an embodiment of the people in a structure that can give a pleasure to the leisure for those who have the capacity to obtain the leisure with their cashless leisures.
See, Mr. Man, I have something to.
Sorry, excuse me, sir. I'm trying to ask for the landlord.
Why you mean dey behave like this now? Now no you wan ask what you wan dey talk about what is that nonsense, man? You think that you no go to school? And then say rubbish. Okay, see, as you can see, by the grace of God, I am the landlord. Wow! I have so many buildings. Not only this building I have so many buildings around this environment. See, okay, what do you want?
Thank you, landlord. Yeah, what happened is that I was walking through the street of this country and I was looking for a very perfect and a unique place that can suit my kind of personality so that I can be nominated for the vacancy.
You are looking for where to stay.
Yes, exactly.
That is not the problem.
Okay.
There is one room at the top here. But I think somebody is coming tomorrow to come and pay for the room.
No, Mr. Landlord, is that you don't understand me. As I'm standing before you, I am money. See, I can give you the assurance that any amount you want to collect, I can provide the money in a short while that you will be surprised by the magnitude of my stereostasis, because the high level of the photosynthesis of the money I am carrying.
Okay, wetin you dey talk now?
It's about the money you are talking, because the high level of my financial stability is greater than the what you can think. Now look at money. Money is what I can get. It just I will pay the money the person want to pay you, and I have my money.
You mean that you have the money now?
Yes.
I can't wait till tomorrow. See, I like money. As you can see now, I'm going to go and collect money from somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. But me, I have rules. Okay. Unless if you can follow my rules, because your neighbor know me.
Yeah.
I don't dey take nonsense. See, our toilet is at the back. Yes. If you want to use toilet, you need to tell me the time you will use it so that you will not disturb the owner. Are you getting my point? And the bedroom. See, okay. Now this side, the bathroom there, this corner.
Wonderful.
You must tell me that Oga Landlord, though, I want to bathe. Before I can bathe, you are permitted to use bedroom once in a day. Once in a day. Because I don't want you to be disturbing others here. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
And kitchen. See, look at our kitchen here. That is our kitchen. The last one. See, you must go out of this house by 10 a.m. and come back by 7 p.m. dot. If you late, you will sleep in outside.
Excuse me, Mr. Landlord. It is like you don't know my level. In the constitution with number subsection 142 section 2, it says that the landlord and the tenant, they have equal rights in as much as I'm paying my money. I am the first graduate in my father's house. I graduated with a 5 masters, I have 5 PhD, 4 BSc, I have 3 BSc and 2 MD. You can't expect somebody of my high caliber that have calibrated from the university of this world. I came into this house and
what is it now? What are you saying now? What is that?
Like,
see, I don't get time for rubbish that you are saying now. Once you enter here, you must rent my house. Oga, where's the money?
For the house.
Yes?
Come and collect.
Hey, Mr. Man, Oga, I don't dey talk o.